Hey guys, hope you're all good. So today's an exciting day, Friday 27th of August, and we have just picked up our new Segway Powersports quad. Very excited. We picked it up today and we're setting off tomorrow morning to take it on a 4 or 5 day trip. We don't know where yet. I'm going to be on Beastie with Taxi on the back, and Dave's going to be on the quad, so it's going to be fun. We actually work for Segway Powersports. We have done for 2 years, I think now, running all of their online marketing. This trip is more of a content creation shoot, ongoing shoot, just of it looking really cool off-road and having some fun with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I start packing like immediately. So yeah, I'm gonna film it as I go. Hope you guys have fun. Spot the Segway guy.
The Segway guy.
Alright, yeah. Morning guys, so I'm not doing very good at this vlogging business. It's been so crazy this morning. Just trying to get everything sorted that I completely forgot that I was meant to be getting some video. So we think that we're heading to the Salt Road. We've heard about it a few times and it sounds really good fun. So we're gonna kind of aim for that with not a real time period. We're just gonna take it easy, and this is the first time Taxi's been on the bikes in ages, so we're not gonna push him too hard. Just whenever he wants to stop, we'll stop, basically. Taxi, you ready? Get in your little bag. This is a really funny thing to follow. So we're about 3 hours in. Had many little stops along the way, but I think this is going to be our lunch stop. What do you think, Tex? I'll be here a while now. Okay, first stop. Not too shabby, hey? Taxi's got the best seat in the house. Yay! Oh, you're a hot boy. Let's get the aircon on. I don't think the view's amazing, but it will do. Oh. Very nice. We're on the move.
Let's go. Video my bum.
So today we're starting the trail. I think, are we about an hour away? Hour away from the start, so fun times are coming. Baby. So first little cafe stop. Ready for some coffee.
Oh, he's going for your pie. How much sugar did you put in?
Quite a bit.
He's drinking, he's drinking.
Enjoy your sugar water, pal. This is a cute little spot, isn't it? Tax has actually got to the point where he loves this little box so much. He naps in there. He's having a little pre-ride nap. Are you sleeping, baby?
Naughty little shit. I bet mumble. And you move the speaker of the ear.
Jumper time, it's gone freezing.
It's like fish. Oh, good brother. To be fair, this is actually probably better than I can focus on that proper shit right in.
Taxi, what are you doing?
Yeah. You could definitely do it, but obviously with a week, that's how I would take it. So long as you just be constantly battling to get the T-set, yeah. Yeah, like,
You're here, yes.
and then jump. Okay. I'll do that first.
Yeah.
Because you got them mountains. Look how just steep hikings.
Why is yours not? Just come to the first tiniest little town that we could find, and we found a hotel in here, and they're super cute. I don't think they had any room for us, but they'd made room, and they're also going to give us some sort of 3-course dinner, which I'm very excited about. Look how cute this is. Look at you. So we're in there, that's where our dinner is.
Stare out.
Taxi, who is that? He's doing some weird. Oh no,
He's so tired.
This is our little room. We're in bunk stay. So cute. Oh my.
Che posto fuori?
Which one?
It's green.
Okay, we have finished filming content for Segway. We've got some really awesome stuff. There they are, all parked up together, new best pals. Yeah, so we've got some really cool content. I'm excited to start working on that. And it is now time to start rolling back home. So it is Monday today. We're going to be riding today for I think 2.5 hours, and then Tuesday 2.5 hours as well, so it's not too long, which is really good news because we need to get back Tuesday, unpack all this sort of the content out. Wednesday I've got to go for my COVID test, and then Thursday I'm flying back to the UK to see my family and friends that I haven't seen for, oh my god, some of them for 9 months. So excited, I can't wait to hang out with them. It's going to be really good fun, but of course I've got to get a stupid COVID test first. Traveling is just not quite as simple these days, is it? So we'll get to a new town tonight. I'm excited to start looking around. Just got in seconds before the rain. On our way out to find some dinner. Last day of the trip. Time to pack up.